In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy emails from Gmail to Microsoft Excel in just a few minutes. This is a handy skill that can save you a lot of time, especially if you often need to transfer important information from your emails to a spreadsheet for further analysis or record keeping. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. The first thing you'll need to do is open the email that contains the information you want to copy. Head over to your Gmail inbox and simply click on the email to bring it up on your screen. Make sure that the email is fully loaded and you can see all the text clearly, as this will be important for the next steps. Once you've got the email open, you're ready to move on. Now that your email is open and ready, the next step is to highlight the text you want to copy. This could be anything from a passage of text, numerical data, or even specific contact details. To do this, click and drag your mouse cursor over the section of the email you're interested in. Once you've highlighted the text, it's time to copy it. Press the Control key and the C key at the same time. This combination is a common shortcut used to copy text on most computer systems, and it ensures that the highlighted section is safely stored in your clipboard, ready to be pasted into Excel. With your text now copied to the clipboard, it's time to open Microsoft Excel. You can do this by finding Excel in your list of installed programs, or if you have a shortcut on your desktop or taskbar, click on that instead. Once Excel is open, you'll need to open a new or existing worksheet where you want to paste the information. Place your cursor in the cell where you'd like the text to start. Now we're going to paste the copied text. Press the Control key and the V key at the same time. Just like that, the information from your email is pasted into Excel, and there you have it, you've successfully copied text from Gmail into Microsoft Excel. This process makes it easy to manage and organize data from emails efficiently. Keep in mind that any formatting in the original email, like bold or italic text, might not transfer over precisely. If the formatting is crucial for your document, you might need to manually adjust it within Excel. This method is a simple yet effective way of quickly transferring text and data from your emails to Excel, helping you work smarter and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this technique as beneficial as I do.